Hello, now we are in our Nicoloy the warehouse. So this stock are the 625, the round bar, the black surface. So let's do the PMI test. You see? 好了吗？准备好了吗？ You see, this is our the 625. 然后再回来。So we have so many sizes. The big size, small size, and the middle size. So we can have the 25 tons. 25 tons. 看这里，Now we have the 25 tons in the stock. Stock. OK. 再打这个。Yeah, this is 25, the PMI test. PMI test. OK. 好，谢谢啊。对。